I'm going to show you how to solve the full screen issue in Mafia, so make sure to follow my simple steps. First of all, you should go to the search and type in NVIDIA, select the NVIDIA app. After that, go to drivers and make sure to install the latest available driver you will find. Now go to settings and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. After that, close this. For the second step, go to the search and type in device manager. Once you open it, go to display adapters and double click on it. After that, go to your graphics card, not the integrated one. Right click and select the first option. Select the first option again. After that, click close. Now for the next step, go open the Steam launcher. After that, go to the top left corner and select the Steam logo and go to settings. Go to the in-game section in the left menu. Make sure to switch off the overlay while in-game right here. Now close this. Go to your collections. From here, you need to select the game that you have the problem with and then select this gear icon. After that, go to properties. Now go to installed files. After that, select this verify integrity of game files. Once done, wait for the process to finish. After that, select this browse option. This will open. So all you have to do is to look for the Mafia 2 game, right click on it and then select properties. From here, go to the compatibility tab and make sure to select disable full screen optimizations. After that, select apply and OK, and that's it. Just remember, when you open the game, go to the settings. After that, make sure to put it on full screen and the issue should be solved. If you do find this video is helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.